Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Oscar Halar, and today I'm in the beautiful master plan community of Tahale. Here in Tahale, I am showcasing Tri Pointe Homes, and I will be going around their model plan A261 plan. It is about 2,612 square feet. You're looking about 3 to 4 baths, plus an office, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. So stay tuned. We're here in Pierce County, and in Tahale, Tahale is both a 55 plus community, and they also have, obviously your traditional, all ages community as well. Okay, so yeah, you talk about multi-generational living. If your, parents want to be kind of in that same community as you, they have that here in this master plan community. So that is awesome. Okay. So here is their 261 plan. They went with like this farmhouse style exterior look. So what I really love about this, right when you walk through the front door, you have, and you have really tall ceilings right when you walk through the front door. So this area here, just feels really open. You have a nice area here where you could, do as the stager did, put like a little nice accent table there with some chairs. You have this really large closet here, great for like storage. Here's where all your cables would go to. Crawl space entryway right here. Large foyer area, and just right off the foyer area, you do have this office. So that's really nice, really spacious there. And here is the dining space area, kitchen. Opens up into the main living area. Really large and open space here. Okay, so this flooring too, if you guys notice the flooring, love the flooring. This is luxury vinyl plank. So LVP is really great because it is scratch resistant, water resistant, and it's also very easy to maintain. Really love like the earth tones of the cabinets there. Just right off of the dining, you can see that here's the pantry area. So here's the pantry, very spacious. And just right off the dining, just through this hallway here, kind of like a nice mudroom area. This is a 2-car garage. So here's a 2-car garage here. Okay, that's nice. And then you do have a half bath just right here as well downstairs. Okay, so this model home is staged as a 3-bedroom. Okay, the 4th bedroom, they would actually turn that loft upstairs into the 4th bedroom. So that's where they will have that 4th bedroom if you decided to upgrade. So that would be an upgrade. So here's the outside. You have a nice kind of covered patio area here. Staged it as a, dining set, or you could just put more seating area there. Nice and covered, lit, for year-round entertainment. Really nice. And, so it's a very low maintenance backyard, but you do have some yard. So, the kids can play, your pets can, go around, and, it's really nice, easy to maintain. Look at that view of Mount Rainier. Okay. But yeah, let's go ahead and go upstairs. Beautiful steel railings here as well. So upstairs, you do have a really nice loft, and the ceilings here is also 9 feet, just as the same as downstairs. The loft area will actually be converted into the 4th bedroom. So I like this design because obviously it's nice to have, additional seating area, entertainment area, especially if you have kids. But if you wanted that 4th bedroom, this would be the 4th bedroom. So this would just be like a hallway area. Okay. just around the corner here, you do have a few bedrooms. So here's a bedroom here. Okay, really nice spacious closet. And then another bedroom here. Just to give you guys like kind of a, you know, size. This is like a queen size bed here. Clearly you can see with the side tables there, you still have enough space there. So if you want a bigger bed, you totally can. But really good space. They do have a dresser here too, and it's not tight, you know, in between the dresser and also the bed. So on this side too, you do have a full bathroom. Okay. So that's really nice. And I love how they stage like this kind of like office area here. So, you know, if you have kids, or if you just, you know, want extra space to work from home, you know, for your guests or whatnot, you know, you could absolutely do the exact same thing there, which is really nice. So yeah, so here's a nice loft area. Here's the HVAC system. And here is the laundry. Nice and spacious laundry here. Linen closet. And here is your primary bedroom. So really large and spacious primary bedroom here. Here's the primary bath. Love the soaking tub. And you have a stand-up shower just right over there. Double vanity sink. Toilet area just right off of that. And then here is your primary closet. Really large primary closet. So again, with some modifications, you could do, this is like 3 to 4 bedrooms and an office. Okay, so upstairs, you clearly saw, we saw 2 bedrooms on the other side. And then the primary suite is just around the corner upstairs. So a lot of privacy here.